our kids as they spend their first week of holiday. Nandun di Banua, erangan dia Bulkina, so ernatiko ngai Vale. Some of the kids are already in the village. Right, enjoying.
Yes, that's a true story.
They just came back from the village yesterday.
Pita, eh?
Pita Abu and Aquila. Aquila supposed to be staying at home for the 2 weeks break, but he crying back. He crying back. He wants to come. Daddy, I want to go with you today. I want to go with you. Awang ko pa sa baby na biya ponto so ko tati ko mai. Sa baby na sara baby tu ode me nang silimu tu na waile husan ro tungo. Ode me nang ponto kana wang kamele wait tu. Ode me nang lakawat kembu. Who's will going with Mbu to the farm? Who will change the horse? Who will be changing the cow? Huh? What you think? It's not easy for me to carry you this way because you carry money. Apa kalau si monta-monta kapag Aquila. Okay. Don't worry, I won't hate you. I will take you back home. But when you go home,
took both of the boys back to the village. Well, I will stay back. How cried to come back?
Crying. He wants to come. He asked me, Daddy, stay with us? I said, no, I will go back for working because I'm leave next week.
This week.
This week I'll be leave on the weekend till the start of the school. And he told me, I want to go back.
Okay.
I see. I see his eyes is flooded over the tears. Sa tiga bu mesadi rin along ni mata na was like this. Okay, don't worry, my son. We will go back. Why you wanna grow? No, I want you to stay.
Okay.
If you left him behind and you came back, I think
I will go back today.
I
want to do my work properly because my mom said if the children cry you before you go to the sea for catching fishing, 2 things will happen. One, you lose the fish, the big fish you catching, and a lutu malite bana numikutiko. And another thing, you can lay mabua. Because because their heart belongs to your future.
We said about all the drivers and the passengers going to work this morning overseas. The visitors who are visiting our shores. We thank you for tuning in this morning, and we hope that you love the Fiji weather, whichever place or resort that you are tuning from this morning.
Mr. Pramendra Singh and to the President Coffee Land family at President Plaza Sambula, tuning in this beautiful morning. Yan Rabin Naka.
Sawani Nandimbua. The 2 brother to Koroi and Bolatini, and brother from Esa Sarailangi Road joining from Sawani this morning, and also Tumbu Jim, Timothy Wengolo, the former Flying Fijian, is listening this morning. Say good morning to you, and also to the Ratu Emery Girl Guide. They are going to Nabua, 6 students. And the Aloisa Ibamere Elisapedio Lucia Lutiana Salote, Rona Kanangasivulo, Mrs. Lemba, Miss Ndilangi, and the 4 Suliawati, Rosi from Kilaka, and Elisapedi Miriama from Nandi Bakarua, Girl Guide from Ratu Emery. They are going this morning.
Okay, this morning we'll talk about the personality types. Different personality types refers to the set of behaviors, attitudes, and emotions a human being possessed individually. We all know that every human has a different nature and mindset. Even siblings, and then doing todo. Roni ndo di tukanda. Mbunda. Tabat kina. Okay. The first one is the extroverts. Extroverts.
Extroverts. Okay. The extrovert. That's when you follow the words. X. Nangone soli matautuki na mbumbu tane be mbumbu elewa. And the extroverts are people that get their energy, excitement, being around others, interacting with the outside world. And the way they include themselves in their family tree. So sometimes when you are born, you are different look from anyone else in the family. But when they follow your genetic particulars, that's from the 2 great-grandparents. Oh, that blondie come from that one.
Extroverts people are social, they like socializing with other people.
That's why you see your son.
Yeah.
Kung saraw sinibiudi ba tutu? Daw ngalong tutu.
Right.
Yeah.
And he follows from the mom side for the
Right.
material link.
Right.
Material.
Material ko rin na matay. Yeah.
Okay. What about the senses?
Senses is
Yeah.
when you feel something that you close to you.
Yeah.
Right.
Baka may sensa.
Yeah.
The nervous system choice,
Yeah.
like your nervous that process to cater the sound,
Right.
how you see
Right.
the
How you feel,
environmental
right.
input
Right.
in
Impact.
your impact in your life.
Right. In your environment.
Yeah,
Right.
because sensor,
Yeah.
it's like a light,
Right.
a security light.
Right.
Yeah.
When there is outside like this and send something,
Right.
that shows how your life sends something.
Which body part that belongs to you is like a sensor or sensitive?
The aerial. When you see an insect,
Yeah.
when you see an insect, the snail,
Yeah.
the snail, they won't feel anything. It's what the aerial.
Yeah.
Nanda aerial, makana buti ura,
Yeah.
nakukuroti.
Yeah.
They sense everything like that through their aerial.
Yeah. Antenna.
The snail, the antenna.
Yeah.
Yeah. When they come like this, they close to you, they will stop because that they feel on their antenna.
Right.
Huh?
So they use like you can use your antenna to fight another antenna.
Right.
Warap metasova.
Okay. Thinkers.
Yeah.
Thinkers.
Because personality.
Yeah.
Because, yeah.
Think of personalities is what you think.
Right.
Yeah.
They can think and think and think
Right.
without any job.
Kato nga di makasama.
That's what it is. Remember, they plan everything.
Right.
Like NPP, no proper program. They think more. They think more.
Yeah.
Individual who prioritize logic.
Right.
Logic.
Yeah. Objective.
Yeah.
Rational problem solving emotional through their think.
Right.
Through their mind.
Yeah.
They think to solve problems.
Right.
Yeah.
They plan.
They plan to
Right.
solve what you are going through.
Right.
But sometimes they can plan to wake up early in the morning.
Judges.
Judges is the people who think and process our life through our nanondan ding.
Yeah.
Hurry up, like that.
Yeah.
Like judging personality type or structure to order.
Yeah.
With
Yeah.
discipline.
Yeah.
They coming from the discipline, clear decision making.
Right.
Yeah.
In life to spontaneity.
Yeah.
Huh?
Right, wala na.
Right na, tignan mo na kango.
Personality types ngo kita pamatal
Yeah.
sa matang ni ko.
Right.
Okay, nabimbasay na extrovert or na introvert.
Right.
Introverts.
Introvert is the
Yeah.
people who write paragraph in their relationship. The introduction.
Yeah.
The intro. See? They,
Right, yeah.
I think they are much more, they are opposite of extroverts.
Extrovert,
Extroverts, they socialize with other people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Introverts,
This one,
they
Arkangalu-ngalu.
keep to themselves. Yes.
Arkangalu-ngalu.
Yeah.
That's why their introduction of a family.
Right.
Yeah.
O tata, sila ko to kan sa libo. Ang tabi to ko baka malu, abunita ka to, they, it's like an introvert.
Right.
Sangkay fixed too.
Saan na?
It's like that. Some people, they bunita ka to, they hide their true color.
Right.
Nangaw na sa bayo, rocky na. Oh! It's like a bullet bell.
Right.
Yeah. That's
Right.
like an introvert.
Right. And they get, they feel tired
Yeah.
when they like too much social life,
Yeah.
social time.
Yeah.
They get tired easily.
Yes,
They get tired
Right.
easily.
So they are not used to that. Eh?
Right.
Right.
Introvert.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
They like reading.
Intuitives.
Ha?
Intuitives.
Intuitive siguro sa kay Tito Musar nga biyaw.
Right.
Okay, intuitives.
Yeah.
Intuitis.
Ano?
Intuitis.
Intuitives.
Intuitive.
Like carry on. Yeah.
The process
Yeah.
of it's like a big picture focus.
Yeah.
Future
Right.
oriented.
Right.
Yeah.
It's like a big picture pattern, abstract concept.
Right.
Yeah.
See?
Right.
They are very strictly sticking to concrete details.
Right.
Baka anything
Future
can happen.
possibility,
Yeah,
yeah.
future possibility.
Right, anything
It's
can happen.
depending.
Right.
Yeah, they are not taka.
Yeah.
Depending on the possibility
Yeah.
that they have.
Right.
Sementara will they going through
Yeah.
or coming out? It's like a guessing or hypothesis of them.
Right,
Okay,
right.
how about the feelers? F-E-E-L-E-R-S.
Yeah.
We're matanggali
Go for another feeling.
personality types bango, ha?
Yeah,
You're the feelers go.
feeling orang tahu
Like
feeling.
you one big filler.
Yeah. Ada bangko. Berapa tahu si mende? Yeah, the feelers
Yeah.
is what they are feel through their lives.
Right.
Some people they don't care.
Yeah.
They don't care of anything. But some people they see that feelers, they crying.
Right.
It's like emotional feeling
Right.
with them. They can talk, but they can cry.
Yeah.
They see something they never
They're
had.
very emotional,
They're
eh?
very emotional.
Right.
Sometimes they just watch movie, they cry.
Right.
Yeah.
Sometimes when you see somebody in hurt, they cry. Sometimes when they had something very emotional to them, they cry. It's
Right.
like a feeling that cause them decay in their decomposition process.
No. Okay. The last one, the personality types this morning for us is perceivers.
Possibles.
Yeah.
Perceivers.
Possibles.
Yeah.
It's a kind of personality
Yeah.
Yeah.
that someone who prefers flexibility.
Right.
Yang
Yeah.
tahu kacituira.
Right.
Any angle.
Right.
Flexible.
Yeah.
In their life.
Right.
They are not going ke kasarta lang go the plan A, plan B is okay with them.
Right. Open-minded, eh?
Open-minded. They
Right.
are very good in lives.
Right.
Yeah.
They are good leaders.
Right.
They are not strict.
Idea focused.
Idea focused.
Right.
Yeah.
They are very flexible. They view rigid rules.
Yeah.
Right.
See-
Deadline nga, deadline, eh?
Yeah.
Right.
Some people they like this.
They're able to meet.
Tomorrow.
Right.
Sa lang sa kuha.
Right.
Yeah.
They are flexible.
Right.
That this kind of people, they are perceivers.
Yeah.
If tomorrow is go, okay. It's okay, don't worry.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Kunirere kunta kaya.
Right.
He will be going this way.
Right.
Yeah, they are good leaders.
Yeah.
Most of the time. They are perseverers.
Right.
Don beberapa kami kibuna kan na walu na be matanggali na kinimbulan tu itu saya be matanggali itama tamu sekali
Iya.
and dan bula boli and na buru-buru kembali ke demesi o koya rua setol cibi koya rua ka matai ke ruang go sera top tak na list
Feelers.
na dia na feelers mata kira sensa
Right.
ngono nga sa sense ta kino koya sa feel tak saranga
Iya,
Rabi
benar.
wa ka din rin.
and the enter na kung tuwag
Akit nga ya. Mulai na timo di ko timbaw may Espen Medical Toka. Umambula tanto nga may feresi rasuagi kaya nabubale.
Iya.
Baka bimbiti ko may naboy. Under 16 Subagrema. Kapag nini bilang talto ko laman imbari ko rin Reketi Central College. Raki-raki koro do mula binaka. We say good morning to you and the family this morning.
Bukan Razule, yan rabin naka.
Daw mula binaka may UK.
terus ko teman-teman weekend na ito okay ya
Iya.
mamandua dapat ngone mamandua
Right. Tikar daw mamantua, eh?
Iya.
Kar daw re-re-re.
do rere do ngalu-ngalu mamandua be betul tangan ngalu-ngalu
Iya.
kuat kaya cuy ngone dapat ir na matagali tamata
Wasalev.
osalebu
Tikar daw wasalebu.
osalebu so tale
Dobi maluwai. Dobi kawaitaki.
kawaitaki
Right.
so nakabaya
Iya.
so kuna sensitive nga pa usini kilawe o na matagali
Erto,
se feelers
Iyo.
Tala-tala
Eh,
nga si may
feelings
namata
siya,
mabaw.
nanto,
Era saka.
eto totolo na, baka may radore na bang na kaya, endo taray
Elo
bali,
malumu.
almal malumu, iyo.
iyo
Almal malumu tu, iyo.
Elo malumu
Suerdo plan, irna,
Iya.
plan ta ka na, baka na judgmental, eh?
iya
Personality.
personality
Right.
kagak relek puri itu kayak lagi
Iyo.
Kita
Na personality din to na,
iyo
Kento lang nga yan eh.
tama-tama
itu
sa kan.
kami tuh lak ngayon
Iya.
oh teman-teman aku gue teman-teman pos bantul
Balatair na,
Diba, eh?
iyo, balatair na, ira, ubuli na psychology, eh?
psychology
Iyo.
right
Kananon ra sa ngamer na walian to na lang ka buhayin dua.
Iya.
Irna kamer na kila.
Iya.
Matanggali.
Yung matanggal tama-tama daw.
Iyo. Irna kay renita kita kana daba na renita ka. Sena iwali daba na
Iya.
apply ta kibi ko ya.
right
Saya mo nemba nube, anda binaa. Mo nadingo filimone nambay tambay mbari. Suga city sa minggo.
tarong ira man na siya mo main live dems
Iyo.
ira turang ang marama
Personality.
pagkatapon on personality
Iyo. Ena senin tor ni pamatala taki upataki ko may pakatakan mun tolo man.
Iya.
Right.
Ko na kilabi na ke
Saya kau irman dengar on
Kemuni,
Cibubur.
how did-
Karena kita may emosi
How
ni
did you know you?
sama to kami ko neuredule.
Iya.
Nam tu nanu ni personality.
Iya.
Wata ki dems. Kita kentala. Tu tak ketol saya tak beli.
Ya naman na kita may mere sa katutani.
Iya, pinapali besar eh.
Isara kawa. Serag chuna mula nga ako.
Right.
Right. Siguro lebih serag na buli. Mo boto ni ya rerang ni buli sa bakar trial siguro dem. Saya tak
Iya,
boleh
trial.
ni.
Arto nangoni bulra arto leon no bakangkor mata ta kami na western tiko ba mata kami na north to no southern na
Under
eastern.
18 ko,
Iya,
sir.
under 18.
Right.
Men kay form ta kami kina team mer form ta kina under 18.
Itu lebih.
Iya.
Trial sih kata bonto nak ini tutuk.
Sala ko sa nga maya orto may ento nangoni menakor ambimbi nga maya timira tulog ko katala tala may trial.
Ya.
Kay katibak talme kan yatan ra.
Oke. Oke, apa boto sa na ngoni salah muri on na pathway. Ada sa muri na lebih tempat tengok segi kini sebelum ngono pakai dirkin na mata south sina third and fourth place.
Iya.
May playoff may pakai dirkin. Sa rumah gitu ngono kina na mata tim ni sino pata kina mata tim ni Raha ya.
Iya.
Sa ta pagod niti ko di sukong gitu ka binyo ni na buno. Ni nandun ngoni salah sa muri ngono lebih anda mer na biro rupa tangau nando kina na under 18 si under 20. Sa dubo lom teser nga wir nonton mata tim. Wir nonton ngone. Ang bala to nanduin tu ini kartu sarete na isok-sok ni kita rabi na nonton buno.
Iya.
Tapi kar takap, mata kina bi kasar takap ti na ngoni buli.
Iya.
May papalang.
Dor binak.
Oh, di pinaka na buli sira di buli.
Right. Like hat setang nanta live beto ko binakan ni Vinod Patel bat kay Punjes Tokani.
El na dumoni.
Kurumundo ko.
Gay Messi.